Yeah, that way. Yeah. Big Dyke, go get it on Macy Gray. Yeah. Raindrops, drop top. Smoking on cooking a hot box. Cookie. Fucking on your bitch, you thought. Cooking up dope in the crock pot.
So in this video, I will teach you how to use the React Native vector icons from the GitHub. So open your CMD first, run it as administrator, cd to your React Native project folder, and then type this code. Then after you type it, just hit enter. I will really not do it because I already do it. So in order to check if the folder is properly installed, just go to node modules and React Native vector icons. If you see this folder, it is successfully installed. So let's get started. So the usage of it is very simple. You can check it to their website. Just go to the bundle icon sets, then click the browse all. This is all the list of the icons based on the different developers like Ant Design and Typo. So the syntax of it is very easy. This is just like let's try to put it on the right side of the connect. For example, let's try to use this Ant Design. Just copy this. Just import the React Native. Import. And then your preferred choice name, but I would recommend you to use the same exact name as this developer. Copy this name, then paste it here on your name. And in order to use it, just choose your preferred icons, then change the name property. Paste it. There you go. So as you can see, this on the left side. So let's make it bigger. There is it. So you can use multiple of icons of it. If you want to use the up circle, change the name property. If you want to use the another developer icon, what you just need to do is import this again. I already imported it, so we just need to make another syntax like this. Copy. Okay. From this, if you put it there, as you can see, it is question mark. It is because up circle is from the Ant Design developer, so we cannot really use it. So if you want to use and type only, there is it, the icons of it. Back in time. So that's it. That's how you use it.